Here is a thinking and communication multiple choice question for you. I'd like you to copy the question, pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestion. We'll be finding percent of area in this question. Question is, consider the triangle ABC and rectangle PQRS. The base of a triangle is 20% less than the length of the rectangle. The height of the triangle is 60% less than width of the rectangle. The area of triangle is what percent of the rectangle? We are given 5 choices. Now, to solve such questions, it's a good idea to sketch, put some values, calculate, and then figure it out. So what we will do is, we'll just calculate 2 areas using some values. So let's have one rectangle and one triangle. Now, as the question is saying that the dimensions of rectangle and triangle are related, and we need to find what percent of rectangle. So area of triangle in terms of area of rectangle. So whenever it is what percent, it's a good idea to take rectangle as 100%, right? So to make this area as 100, we can take dimensions as 10 and 10, right? I know it doesn't look like that. I should have made a square. But well, we're just calculating, right? So let the dimensions be 10 and 10. It helps. You will see how. Let's read the question once again. So that is our rectangle PQRS, okay, and this is the triangle ABC. Base of the triangle is 20% less than length. So this is the length. 20% less will be 20% of 10 is 2. So less by 20% means this will be 8, correct? So the base is going to be 8. And height of the triangle is 60% less. Height is 10, 60% less means the height is only 40%, right? So that's another way of looking into it. And therefore, we can say, well, this height for the triangle is 40% of 10, which is 4. So we have a triangle whose base is 8 and height is 4. Now, if that is the triangle, then what is the area of this triangle, right? So the area of the triangle is half of base, which is 8, and times height, which is 4, and that is 4 times 4, 16. Now you can compare. This area is 100, right? It is 10 times 10, which is 100. So I purposely took 10 for easy calculations. Whenever we are doing such multiple choice questions, it is important to note that time at times is a constraint. So take values which help you to save time and get the right results quickly. So the ratio is 16 out of 100 or 16%. So we get our answer as D, 16%. So that is how we should be solving the questions. And whenever you make a figure, don't bother about the size, because I know I made a rectangle and this triangle too small, but it doesn't matter. The idea is to have a sketch which helps us to get the right answer and in the minimum time, and that is how we can get it. I hope you appreciate it. You can subscribe to my videos and look into more tips similar to this. Thank you and all the best.